What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘵, and I truly appreciate you for being here with me. So, bridges. You saw all those bridge jokes right there 2 seconds ago. What we're going to talk about in this new video is that how you can connect the Pulsechain bridge to the Ethereum bridge, and how you can connect the Ethereum bridge to the Pulsechain bridge. Because honestly, you can only get value out of your Pulsechain coins if you can take it out of the Pulsechain and then connect it to the Fiat real world market. The good thing about Pulsechain coming out is that its throughput is faster. The transactions are thousandths of a penny. The problem is that we cannot interact with other ecosystems, outside of the Pulsechain ecosystem, right? So the good thing is that there's going to be a Pulse bridge that allows you to bring in tokens from Ethereum into the Pulsechain network, and from the Pulsechain network to Ethereum's network. So now I'm going to show you the exact bridge that does this. Technically right now it's in the test phase, so take everything with a grain of salt. This is just a good way for you to practice how to do your transactions when it finally comes out. Okay, so the first thing that you do is you want to go to pulseramp.com. The website might change in the future, but this is a good place to start practicing. Pulseramp.com is an official website. You can go to Richard's Heart Twitter page to find out exactly that it is legitimate, that it is real. So first thing that you want to do is you click connect. You connect, right? And then you connect your MetaMask. And you can connect any other wallet that you want to. But I want you to connect your MetaMask. You just press the next button right here. You connect to this website using the MetaMask notification, and then finally it connects. Let's just focus on this right now. The balance right now is $1,023. And what I want to do is I want to send a small amount of Pulse from the Pulsechain network, and I want to send it to the Ethereum network. So let's say I want to send 20 Pulse from the Pulsechain network, and right now it's just called T-Pulse. Eventually it's going to just be called PLS. I want to send 20 PLS to the Ethereum network, and when it is in the Ethereum network, it's going to be called PPLS, okay? As in Pulsechain network. The acronym that comes before it is always the name of the chain that it came from. So if it was Chainlink that was coming from the Ethereum network, and it's coming to the Pulsechain network, when it comes to the Pulsechain network, when it transfers from the Ethereum network into the Pulsechain network, it's going to be called E-Link. When it comes to the Pulsechain network and it's Chainlink that's in the Pulsechain network and it's transferred from Pulsechain to the Ethereum network, it's going to be called P-Link. Okay, so because we're transferring it from the Pulsechain network to the Ethereum network, this PLS is going to be called PPLS. So we're going to transfer 20 PLS to the Ethereum network, and it's going to be called PPLS, and it's going to have a fee of 0.1%. Okay, so we already currently have 9.99 PLS, and when I add some more to it, it's going to be something like 29 PLS or whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the send button. Okay, and in order for you to hit the send button, you have to have some PLS in your account. Clearly we already have some PLS account, and click the send button. So we have to wait a little bit. And we have to do a transaction, and we're going to send 20 PLS to the Ethereum network. Look at the gas fees. The gas fees are so tiny. They're 1/10 of a Pulse chain. Anyway, so I click confirm. Wait a little bit. Now it has been confirmed. What we're going to do, go back, look at our transactions. Okay. Is validating the transaction. So now it has been finished. Now all we have to do is click claim. Okay, we click the claim button, and now what it wants to do is it wants to switch us from the Pulsechain network, and it wants to switch us to the Ethereum network. This Ethereum network is a test Ethereum network called 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘵 test network. Now, in order for you to actually receive your coins in the Ethereum network, you need to have some Ethereum. And in this case, because it's a test, we need to have some test Ethereum. Test Ethereum costs us nothing dollars. So if you want to get some free test Ethereum, what you have to do is go to this website called faucet.paradigm.xyz. Okay, I already claimed my tokens already, so don't worry about that. But what you do is you just click the claim token and then wait about maybe 5 minutes, and then you'll receive about 0.1 test Ethereum onto your MetaMask wallet. Okay. So let's pretend as if we already claimed our free 0.1 Ethereum, and now we have to do this actual transaction. So now we're going to do a transaction of transferring it or accepting it inside of Ethereum wallet on the Ethereum network, and it's going to cost us only 0.000400046. Remember those good old days where a transaction would cost you like $1 or $2 in Ethereum money? Anyway, so we're going to click confirm it. It's pending. It's going to wait about a couple minutes, and therefore we see that the transaction has finished. Okay, like you saw, we just switched to the Ethereum network. Okay, and now we see that we have 29.97 PLS in our Ethereum network. Remember, like 1 minute ago, we saw that was about 10 PLS in our Ethereum network. Now we see that it's 29.97 PLS in our network. But then when you look on MetaMask, you come here, all you see is 0.0993 ETH. You don't see any PLS. What's the problem? Well, you have to actually import the token. Just because the token is in your wallet doesn't mean that you can see it on the MetaMask. So what we're going to do is we're going to click import token. And then we see that we have 29.97 PLS. And then we add the token. Okay. And anytime you go to your MetaMask now on the 𝘊𝘰𝘮 network, you see that you have 29 PLS and 0.093 Ethereum. There you go. The transaction has worked. Now, most people are going to have just a bunch of Ethereum-based coins in their Ethereum wallet. I made the screen bigger so you guys can see my sexy face. Most people will just have some Ethereum ERC20 tokens that have just been copied over to their Pulse chain, and now they have equal copies of, let's say, USDT or of Link, and they have those equal copies on the Pulse chain network, but they don't have any Pulse in order to do these transactions like the transaction I just did, or to trade these Pulse tokens for different Pulse tokens, or even to have these Pulse tokens come outside of the Pulse network into the Ethereum network and then sell those new Ethereum network coins for real fiat currency. So in order for you to get some Pulse, to make use of the actual Pulse chain, what you need to do is go to this website called freepulse.io. Let me minimize this a little bit. freepulse.io. I'm going to have multiple videos on freepulse.io. And what you need, the first thing that you need to do is log into your MetaMask. We need to sign for it, that you're accepting this network. Then you have to do the test to make sure that you're a human being. Motorcycle. And by the way, you get free coins. Look at that. It just gave me one free Pulse chain just for signing up on this, right? And you can get, there's like an 80% chance that you get one free Pulse chain, but there's like a, 15% chance that you get 71. And then a lower amount that you get even more coins. And one person gets 1.4 million Pulse chain coins every single day. Okay, but it doesn't matter. All you need is like one Pulse chain, and one Pulse chain can do about 100 different transactions. It's crazy. Anyway, so you have your one free Pulse chain, and then you can come back and do whatever you want to do. Is we want to change the transaction. We want to send some of our coins from the Ethereum network, from the 𝘊𝘰𝘮 network, and we want to send it to the Pulse chain network. Okay, so let's say that I only want to send I don't know, half of it, 15 Pulse chain from the Ethereum network to the Pulse chain network. And because the fee that I have is 0.1, I am only going to receive 14.985. We click the send button. We click send again. It's going to charge us a very, very tiny Ethereum gas fee. And then it has been confirmed. So we waited a little bit, and then we switched to the Pulse chain network, and we see that we now have 15 PLS that is now back into our Pulse chain wallet, back into our Pulse chain network. And then we go to the Pulse bridge and we see everything that's going on. Now we have 1,800 TPLS, and we have 15 PPLS in our Ethereum wallet, and we have this 1,000 PLS in our Pulse chain wallet. This bridge is really important. It's really awesome. We're going to be using this bridge a lot. So watch this video again multiple times. I know it's a little bit confusing and I talk a little bit fast, but I want to get all the information to you because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. I care about you. Let's get this money.